What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to perform a reverse image search on your iPhone. This is good when you have catfishers or you think you're dealing with scammers and you think that someone's lying to you. So when you open up this website that I have pasted below, it's tinyeye.com. You're just going to upload and take the photo that they sent you and screenshot it so you have it. I just took a random Instagram model. And as you can see, once I insert it in, it's going to take a second. And then now you can see that it has two results for articles and websites where this image has been used. It might have a lot more or it might not have any at all. But by using this technique, you can see where this person is getting their images from and also get an insight on their motivations for using these images at all. As you can see, you could also go to the website and you just click the website and you could go to it and you could see where this website is used and then the article that's around it. But yeah, that's pretty much all a reverse image search is. If you did find this tutorial helpful though, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks. And also check out our other videos, linked in the description.